Here is my week 4 self-evaluation. How did my attitude, logic, and behaviors influence my project? Before deciding on what project I wanted to work on, I needed to understand media research in general. I haven't had the opportunity in the past to actively participate in media research, figuratively or literally. For my first draft of the project, I think I was a little confused, but after doing research on what types of questions to ask, ultimately it influenced my decision-making process on what to do research on. As I started working on my projects, I realized I wanted to know more about what resources are available to me. When I started working on my project, I was really interested in the social media aspect of it all, especially after all the assignments. When gathering research, I mainly used Facebook to communicate with my survey takers. I would have liked having everyone take a survey using questionnaires found online. That way, I could use graphs of data explaining my research. Some of the people I interviewed were a little bit difficult when I was going through the questions. One person asked a question to answer one of the questions. If I had more time, I would have. What could I have done differently to improve my projects? I work full-time and I am in school full-time, so finding extra time is usually a little difficult for me. I would have liked to spend more time on my projects in the sense of trying to create something I felt could be a game changer in the industry. When I was going through the survey with the people I interviewed and collecting all the data and getting all the numbers, I thought to myself, what other questions could I have used, or what placement would have worked best? There are a few things I probably would have changed. How does my experience working with media research support my professional objectives? How will I use this in my career? I think this class really helped open my eyes about media research. I didn't quite understand it before taking the course, and I can definitely use the knowledge I gained from this course to further my media research skills in figuring out how or what type of questions relate best to the product and the survey takers.